Hey, quick video about the dividends issue notification that you would have received yesterday. Let's go. So J.O., as I like to call him, even though his name is more Hueo, I'm aware of silent J's in Spanish. Is he from Portugal? I don't know. Well, Hueo. Damn it. So, J.O., dividend issue. Quick update after. Hey guys, so as I said earlier, some of you got a notification from me and other PIs. Yes, you guys would have and may have. This happens when a PI makes a withdrawal, which I didn't, and neither did anyone else. There was a bug with eToro, and the monthly payment of the PIs from eToro went to their account balance instead of directly to their bank. Then they fixed the mistake and withdrawed that amount, but it got counted as a dividend for some copiers. So all of you with an eToro account and that's copying people, you would have received a notification yesterday saying your trader has given you dividends of XX dollars. What do you do? This was a mistake on eToro's end. Again. So whatever the amount was, to the cent, put that back on that same trader, but do not copy open trades. It needs to be the spare money that they have for a rainy day. Because the whole dividend thing that you received a notification about, it's basically all the spare cash, all the spare money that they had, the spare account balance. And eToro has just taken that and said, oh, here's your dividends, everyone. So it's a technical error. It's the spare cash that they need for the rest of their trades. To be in synchronization, you must put that back on. To the cent. Untick copy open trades. That's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.